Knowledge is a major and significant ingredient for safety. During the next few minutes, you will learn some basic rules and instructions associated with safe operation of utility vehicles. It is important that you and everyone who operates a utility vehicle understands proper vehicle operation and recognizes situations that could result in an accident, injuring yourself or someone with you. Because young operators may not be able to control the vehicle, no one under the age of 16 and without a valid driver's license should be allowed to operate the vehicle. No one under the age of 12 may ride as a passenger, and all passengers must be able to comfortably reach the floor and handholds. The Operation and Maintenance Manual is your primary guide for safe operation. Read, understand, and follow the manual and all on-vehicle warnings and information decals before attempting to operate or service the vehicle. Never use the utility vehicle without instructions. Some attachments are also provided with a separate Operation and Maintenance Manual. You will see this safety alert symbol throughout the presentation, as well as in the manual and on vehicle safety signs. It identifies important safety messages. When you see it, be alert to the possibility of serious injury or death. Read and follow all safety and operation signs on the vehicle. Replace them if they are missing or damaged. This symbol points out actions you should avoid to reduce the potential for injury. The controls used to operate vehicle functions may vary depending on the model. Two different drive systems are used: continuously variable transmission, CVT, or a hydrostatic transmission. Before operating, be sure you're familiar with the controls. The key switch is located on the dash. For models equipped with a CVT, the accelerator or throttle pedal is the pedal on the right. The brake pedal is located to the left of the throttle pedal. A travel control, such as a forward, reverse handle, or gear selector, is used to select your direction of travel. A park brake is provided to prevent the vehicle from rolling when parked. See your Operation and Maintenance Manual for detailed information on park brake operation for your model utility vehicle. For models equipped with a hydrostatic transmission, a gear selector is used to choose between park or high and low gear. The vehicle must be placed in park before leaving the vehicle to prevent rollaway. The travel control pedal is used to control the forward and backward travel of the utility vehicle. Press the front of the pedal for forward travel. Press the rear of the pedal for backward travel. Always look in the direction of travel. When the pedal is released, it will return to neutral and the hydrostatic transmission will slow the vehicle to a stop. Use the brake pedal to assist in slowing or stopping the vehicle. Follow the daily inspection and pre-starting procedure found in the manual. Include checking fluid levels such as brake fluid, fuel, engine oil, and coolant. Keep the utility vehicle clean of debris and properly maintained. On some models, a toolkit is provided with the utility vehicle to assist in regular maintenance. Check the tires for proper inflation pressures. Operating with tires that have improper inflation pressures can affect the vehicle's handling capabilities and its stability. Before servicing the vehicle, place the travel control in the neutral position. Engage the park brake or place the gear selector in park. Stop the engine and remove the key. And chock the wheels. Allow the engine and exhaust system to cool before servicing. Remove all cargo before raising the cargo box and servicing the vehicle. Follow the instructions in the Operation and Maintenance Manual for raising and supporting the cargo box for your model of utility vehicle. Some utility vehicles are equipped with either the Rapid Link or Multi-Attachment Exchange MAX attachment system. For the specific details on the Rapid Link or MAX attachment system, make sure you follow the instructions found in your Operation and Maintenance Manual, Operator's Handbook, and decals located on the vehicle. Unlike other types of off-highway utility vehicles, The Bobcat utility vehicle with the Rapid Link or MAX attachment system is equipped with an attachment arm that can lift loads and other attachments. Because of this difference, this vehicle will operate and handle differently than other types of utility vehicles that have only a cargo box on the rear of the vehicle. A variety of attachments are available for Bobcat utility vehicles. Use only Bobcat approved attachments. Never exceed the vehicle load capacity. Check the vehicle load capacity decal for maximum rated capacities of the utility vehicle. Utility vehicles equipped with the Rapid Link or MAX attachment system come equipped with an attachment arm joystick control. The joystick controls the lift and tilt functions of the attachment arm. To install an attachment to the utility vehicle, always make sure the attachment is properly secured using the Rapid Link or MAX attachment system. When using the Rapid Link attachment system, make sure the attachment locking lever is in the locked position and that the attachment interface pins extend through the holes in the mounting frame of the attachment. When using the MAX attachment system, ensure the mounting pins and retainer pins are installed on both sides of the attachment interface. Some attachments require the use of auxiliary hydraulics. Refer to the Operation and Maintenance Manual or Operator's Handbook for specific instructions on auxiliary hydraulic operation. Bobcat utility vehicles equipped with the MAX attachment system have a front power takeoff or PTO drive system for powered attachments. When installing the PTO drive line, push and pull the drive line back and forth several times to make sure it is securely attached to the output shaft. Ensure all guards and shields are in place before operating. Vehicles with PTO are equipped with an engine speed control lever to adjust engine speed independent of vehicle travel speed for optimum attachment performance. Pushing the lever forward increases engine speed, while pulling the lever back decreases engine speed. To engage the front PTO, reduce the engine speed to low idle, press the center button, and pull up on the yellow knob. The PTO speed is displayed in the center gauge of the dash. Increase the engine speed until the PTO speed specified for your attachment is achieved. Do not exceed the rated attachment PTO speed, as it can cause damage to the attachment and PTO components. To disengage the PTO, reduce the engine speed to low idle and press down on the yellow knob. Vehicles with PTO are equipped with a safety interlock system that will shut off the PTO if the operator leaves the operator's seat with the PTO engaged. Check your Operation and Maintenance Manual for the correct inspection procedure. If the PTO safety interlock system does not function properly, contact your Bobcat dealer for service. Disengage the PTO for road travel. Keep bystanders away from PTO-driven equipment. See Attachment Operation and Maintenance Manual for specific operating instructions. Fully lower the attachment, stop the engine, and allow all rotating components to stop before servicing any PTO-driven equipment. Keep away from moving parts. Hands, feet, clothing, or long hair can become entangled in the rotating driveline components, causing serious injury or death. If servicing the vehicle with only part of the vehicle supported with jack stands, never operate the engine and shift the travel control. This can cause the vehicle to drive and fall off the jack stands, causing serious injury or death. Do not run the engine in an enclosed area without proper ventilation. Exhaust fumes can kill or cause serious illness. Servicing should be done in a well-ventilated area. Keep sparks and flames away from the vehicle and service area. Batteries contain explosive gases. Make sure there is proper ventilation when they are being charged. Stop and cool the engine before adding fuel. Because a spark from static electricity could ignite gasoline vapors, ground your fuel source to the vehicle before and during fueling operation. Do not smoke when fueling. Do not use the utility vehicle in an atmosphere with explosive dust or gases or where the exhaust can contact flammable material. Explosion or fire can result. Most models of utility vehicles are equipped with a rollover protective structure, or ROPS, and seat belts for restraint. Inspect the structure for damage before operating. Never remove or modify the ROPS and replace it if it is damaged. ROPS with seat belts can be installed on some other models. Check with your dealer for availability of ROPS and seat belts. Make sure seats are secured to the utility vehicle frame before operating the vehicle. Do not operate the vehicle while under the influence of alcohol, drugs, or medications. Do not modify the vehicle. Modifications can cause instability, poor vehicle handling, or travel speeds that are too high. This could cause serious injury or death to the operator or passenger. Always wear eye protection. Wear other personal protective equipment such as a helmet or hard hat, face protection, hearing protection, safety boots or shoes, chemical suit, respirators, and gloves as needed by work location and vehicle operation. Securely fasten the seatbelt. Only one person is allowed per seat. Never attempt to start the vehicle or operate it from outside the operator's position. Accidental movement of the vehicle could cause serious injury or death to yourself or a bystander. To start the vehicle, make sure the travel control is in the neutral position. On some models, the engine will not start unless the travel control is in the neutral position. Adjust the steering wheel if equipped with tilt steering. Press and hold the brake pedal. On some models, the engine will not start unless the brake pedal is pressed. Turn the key all the way to the start position and hold. Release the key switch when the engine starts. If your utility vehicle has a gasoline engine and is equipped with a choke, you may have to engage the choke if the engine is cold. Similarly, if your vehicle has a diesel engine, it is equipped with glow plugs for preheating in cold weather. Make sure bystanders are clear before you move the vehicle. For vehicles equipped with a continuously variable transmission, release the park brake. While keeping the brake pedal engaged, select the direction of travel. Release the brake pedal completely and then slowly press the throttle pedal to move the vehicle in the selected direction of travel. For vehicles equipped with a hydrostatic transmission, move the gear selector from the park position into either high or low gear. Release the brake pedal and slowly press the travel control pedal in the desired direction of travel. For all models, operate the vehicle slowly until you become comfortable with the controls. Always look in the direction of travel and keep bystanders away from the vehicle. Keep your head, hands, and feet inside the vehicle at all times. Do not allow riders in the cargo box. Riding in the cargo box can cause serious injury or death. Do not use the vehicle on public roads. It is not designed or intended for street use and should not be licensed for use on public roads. Slow down when turning. Drive slowly straight up or down slopes. Do not drive across slopes. Avoid stopping a loaded vehicle on a hill. Avoid quick starts or sudden stops. To prevent vehicle rollover, drive slowly and reduce the cargo box load on uneven or loose terrain. Avoid steep slopes, drop-offs, and unstable surfaces. Reduce speed for adverse driving conditions, such as wet grass, loose or rough terrain. Driving too fast under these conditions could cause tipping and result in serious injury and damage to the vehicle. Driving this vehicle in an aggressive manner can increase the risk of head injury and requires head protection. For these aggressive driving conditions, Bobcat Company recommends that all occupants wear a properly fitting Department of Transportation (DOT) approved helmet. Before leaving the vehicle, park the utility vehicle on flat, level ground and place the travel control in the neutral position. Depending on the model, firmly set the park brake, making sure it is fully engaged, or place the gear selector in park. For models with an engine speed control lever, set the engine speed to low idle. Stop the engine and remove the key. If an exit is blocked on vehicles equipped with a cab, the cab door on the opposite side is used as an emergency exit. On models with gasoline engines equipped with a fuel shutoff valve, turn the fuel shutoff valve to the closed or off position before storing or transporting the vehicle. Before loading the cargo box, ensure the park brake is engaged or the gear selector is in park. Do not exceed the vehicle load capacity. Check the vehicle load decal for maximum rated capacities of the vehicle. The total rated capacity is the combined weight of occupants, the cargo box load, tow weight, and the weight of any accessories. The total rated capacity is for level surfaces only. Make sure the cargo is evenly distributed and well secured. Do not place loads on the tailgate. The tailgate should be up and securely latched while moving. Avoid top-heavy or unsecured loads that could cause loss of load or vehicle rollover, causing serious injury or death. When using box-mounted accessories, ensure the accessories are fully seated in the mounting holes on the cargo box and the locking latches are over-center. Avoid sudden starts, stops, and turns with a loaded or empty vehicle. Operate the controls smoothly. Never overload the vehicle. Overloading can affect vehicle handling and cause loss of control or a rollover, causing serious injury or death. Use extreme caution when towing a trailer. Do not exceed the total rated capacity or maximum trailer hitch tongue weight. When transporting the utility vehicle, always make sure the transport vehicle and trailer are of adequate capacity. Use ramps of adequate strength. Drive the utility vehicle onto the trailer. Lower the attachment if equipped. Place the gear selector in neutral or park. Engage the park brake if equipped. For models with an engine speed control lever, set the engine speed to low idle. Stop the engine and remove the key. Ensure the seats are properly secured to the vehicle before transporting. Secure the vehicle to the trailer using tie-downs. Becoming a proficient utility vehicle operator requires knowledge, skill, and good judgment. Be that operator. It's impossible to cover every situation you could encounter on the job, but viewing this presentation is one way to work toward those goals. For additional information, technical specifications, or training resource information for all Bobcat equipment, see www.bobcat.com.